In this video of today, I will walk you through on how to send files from WhatsApp to OneDrive. But for this to work, ensure that you have installed OneDrive mobile app on your iPhone. Let's get into it. The first step you need to take is to open the WhatsApp application. As the app opens, tap on the contact that has the file you want to send to OneDrive, okay? So here you can see Uzochukwu Mike has the file. So I've tapped on his name, all right? Then long press on the file you want to send. It can be PDF, it can be documents, it can be Excel spreadsheets, it can be slides, okay? It can be docs, anyone. So long press on the file. This displays some options to you, okay? Select forward. Now this makes the file to be selected, okay? The next step is to tap on the share icon, which is the arrow at the bottom right, the one that points up, all right? So tap on it. On tapping on that, you will see this pop up right now. This page you're seeing right now. The first category shows contacts on my phone, and the second category shows application. So move to the app you want to share the file with, and here I want to share it with OneDrive. So I will tap on OneDrive. This opens a OneDrive application automatically, showing your email address and files folder, okay? Files folder on OneDrive contains some files and folders you created by yourself, okay? So tap on files. Now this shows some folders and some files you already have on the OneDrive account. So navigate to the folder you want to send the file to, all right? So I want to send the file to this folder called important info. Then this takes you to the new folder, showing you other folders that are created inside of it. All right. So maybe you want to send it in one of these folders, or you just want to drop it here. Okay. So here I want to send it in another folder here named my NIN. And the last step you need to take is to tap on upload here. So hold on for the file to be uploaded. And now the file is uploaded on OneDrive. That is all you need to do, and it is simple. I believe you find this guide helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing. Here we cover technology, so subscribe to learn more on tech. Hit the like button, the one that points up like this, so that YouTube will recommend this content to more people. Alright, and leave a comment in the comment section. Watch this video here to learn how to transfer different file types from laptop to iPhone and from iPhone to laptop. Anyway, can save. Thank you and see you some other time.